Hello, good morning, students. Now we will be continuing with our maths textbook. In the last class, we have done this smallest to biggest number. Now, today we will do the order of numbers. That is, we have done smallest to biggest and biggest to smallest. Now, that is the name of this order. Smallest to biggest is called increasing order and biggest to smallest is called decreasing order. See, let us see. Now, see this. Increasing order. Look at these numbers. See, there are three numbers that are given in a small circle 19, in a big circle then this 25, and in the biggest circle 40. They are not in order, but they are also arranged from smallest to biggest. See, they are not in order. Like if it was 19, 20, 21, then it is a order. It is an order. But they are not in order, but they are from smallest to biggest. Now see, three numbers are given. 19 is the smallest number in this group and 40 is the biggest number in this group. So what is the increasing order? Increasing order means that even if the numbers are not in order, they are from smallest to biggest in that order. Which order? From smallest number to biggest number. What is increasing order? In it, the numbers are arranged from smallest to biggest. So, see again. The numbers 19, 25 and 40. Three numbers are given. They are not of the same order like 19, 20, 21. But it is in the order of smallest to biggest. 19 is the smallest. Then 25 is bigger than 19 and 40 is the biggest number. This is called increasing order. See, in increasing order, one more example. We have to climb the stairs. Climb up the stairs. How it is? See, three numbers are given. For example, 15, 7 and 3. Which is the smallest number that will come in this stair? जो सबसे छोटा नंबर होगा वो सबसे नीचे वाली सीढ़ी पे आएगा. सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है इन तीनों में से? 3. So we will write 3 over here. Then 3 से बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 7. We will write 7. और सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है इन तीनों में से? इस बॉक्स में सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 15. तो वो हम सबसे ऊपर वाली सीढ़ी में रखेंगे. अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी हैव टू डू? जो सबसे छोटा नंबर है वो फर्स्ट सीढ़ी में, फिर हम ऊपर चढ़ते जाएंगे सीढ़ी, फिर जो उससे थोड़ा बड़ा है वो बीच वाली सीढ़ी में, और जो सबसे बड़ा वाला नंबर है वो सबसे ऊपर वाली सीढ़ी में. Okay, so we have to go from small to big, smallest number to biggest number. This is called increasing order. Increasing मतलब बढ़ना. It is increasing. Number छोटे से फिर बड़ा हो रहा है, तो we have to go from down to up. Similarly, see, these are the other sums. In this also, three numbers are given in the box. 11, 20 and 9. Which is the smallest number? सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 9. तो वो हम सबसे पहली सीढ़ी पे रखेंगे नीचे, फिर हम ऊपर जाएंगे. 9 के बाद कौन सा बड़ा नंबर है? 11. तो we will write 11 over here, and then सबसे ऊपर वाली सीढ़ी पे सबसे बड़ा नंबर. Which is the biggest number in this box? 20. So we will write 20 over here. So children, like that you complete this whole. Then I will also send the answers from which you can check. Okay, and now let us see the next page. See, now on this page it is decreasing order. Decreasing order means The opposite of increasing order. Increasing order मतलब बढ़ना, increase मतलब बढ़ना, मतलब नंबर छोटे से फिर बड़ा होगा, और डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर मतलब उसका ऑपोजिट, उसका उल्टा, मतलब नंबर घटेगा, डिक्रीज होगा। जो बड़ा नंबर होगा वो पहले आएगा, फिर नंबर छोटा होगा, फिर सबसे छोटा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर, सो दैट इज डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर। सी ओवर हियर, decreasing order. Look at these numbers. See, in this is biggest to smallest. So जो biggest circle है वो पहले है, and then small circle और फिर सबसे smallest circle. This is decreasing order. See, this first number is 42. That is the biggest number. तो वो biggest circle में है. Then उससे छोटा number 27, and फिर सबसे छोटा number smallest number is 18. So from 42 to 18, 42 is the biggest number, so that will come first, and 18 is the smallest number, so it will come at last. So what is decreasing order? Decreasing order means the biggest number will come first, and then we will go to the smallest number, from biggest to smallest. See, in this what we have to do, increasing order में हम लोग सीढ़ी चढ़ी थी, अब हमको सीढ़ी नीचे उतरनी है इन डिक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर। तो व्हाट वी विल डू, जो बिगेस्ट नंबर होगा हम बिगेस्ट टू स्मॉलेस्ट जाएंगे। वी विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द बिगेस्ट नंबर। सी दिस बॉक्स 16, 8 एंड 20, विच इज द बिगेस्ट नंबर? इस बॉक्स में सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? 20। तो पहले हम 20 लिखेंगे सबसे ऊपर वाली सीढ़ी में। हम लोग इसमें सीढ़ी नीचे उतर रहे हैं because this is decreasing number, so we will go from biggest to smallest. So 20 is the biggest number, so that we will write first. Then उससे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 16, तो वो उसके नीचे वाली सीढ़ी में। and smallest number, सबसे छोटा वाला नंबर कौन सा है? 8, so that will come in the last step over here. So in decreasing order what we have to do? We have to go from biggest to smallest. जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा that will come over here on the first step, फिर उससे छोटा on the second step, and the smallest number, जो सबसे छोटा नंबर होगा वो आएगा third step पे। See this one also. See, these three numbers are given in the box, 19, 15 and 25. Which is the biggest number? The biggest number in this box, वो सबसे पहले लिखेंगे the first step। तो हमको सीढ़ी नीचे उतरनी है, तो जो सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा वो हम सबसे ऊपर वाली सीढ़ी पे लिखेंगे। Which is the biggest number? 25। फिर उससे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 19, so that we will write over here. And which is the smallest number out of the three? सबसे छोटा वाला नंबर कौन सा है? 15, so that we will write in the last step. So now again in decreasing order what do? We go from biggest number to the smallest number. In this we have to go down, इसमें हमको सीढ़ी नीचे उतरनी है। So जो biggest number will come on the first step, then the number that is smaller than it will come on the second step, and the smallest number will come on the last step. So students, you have to see this and you have to complete this exercise. These sums you have to see the video first, you have to understand properly, and then you have to complete this. And after you complete, I will also send the photo of this. I will send the PDF file of the chapter that of the exercise that I have completed in my book. So from that you have to check it. So complete this exercise in your textbook. And then after completing this exercise, this is chapter checkup. So what is chapter checkup? In this, the whole chapter will be revised. Whatever we have learned the concept in the whole chapter, no, that will be revised at the end of the chapter checkup. So this you have to do in homework. The chapter checkup you have to complete in homework, so that all the exercises we are doing after all the topics, then the chapter checkup, in this there will be the whole exercise of the topics that we have done in the whole chapter. So this you have to do in homework. Okay, so in this we have completed this chapter. This is an activity which you can do at your home if you want to do. This is not a written activity. So this activity, if you want to do at home with your parents, you can do it. Okay, otherwise this chapter checkup you have to do at home. This is the homework. And then in the notebook we will also continue. In notebook I'll give you one more work of the increasing order and decreasing order in the next class. Okay, so complete this much in the textbook, and then students we will continue in the next class.